Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Slides presentation more engaging with background music, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you step by step how to add music to your slides so your presentation feels polished and professional. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google Slides. Sign in with the Google account where your presentation is stored, or create a new one if needed. From the home page, click the big plus sign to start a new blank presentation, or open an existing file if you're adding music to a slideshow you've already created. With your presentation open, look at the top menu bar and click Insert. In the drop-down, select Audio. A new window will appear showing the audio files available in your Google Drive. This is important. Your music file must be saved in Google Drive first, so upload it there if you haven't already. Browse through your files, choose the music track you want, and click Select. Instantly, a small speaker icon will appear on your slide. This is your audio element. Now let's make the music behave the way you want. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Format Options panel. Here you can choose Start playing automatically when the slide opens, or play on click so the music only starts when you trigger it. For true background music across your entire presentation, select Play automatically. You can also adjust the volume slider to keep the music soft and non-distracting. If you want the music to continue across multiple slides, duplicate the audio icon onto each slide, or use a single long track that covers your entire presentation length. Test it out to make sure transitions are smooth. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned a plain Google Slides deck into a dynamic presentation with background music that keeps your audience engaged. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and share it with anyone who wants to level up their slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.